Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in another music production video. Today we'll be doing a little bit of a sound design. I came up with this idea recently to just take a sound and split it into a couple of layers, the same sound, but on each layer do a bandpass filter, and on each layer put a different frequency within this bandpass filter. I used a vocal for it and we're gonna talk a bit about it and see how it works. It's a decent idea, I think so. Let's play it back. So this is what it sounds like after splitting it. There's like 6 layers. And that's a part of the track. It actually goes even deeper and there's some vocal synth on it. Yeah, so let's dive into this. I found it pretty interesting. So basically what it is this a instrument rack, and one sound is being copied onto each of the chains. And as you can see on the EQ on the right side, each of these chains, the frequency range is being narrowed to a certain amount. And what's cool about this is kind of like a multi-band multi-band, because on each chain you can apply different effects. So for example, you can have, like I did here on the higher level, I can have some erosion with white noise. I can change the sound a little bit in this region. Yeah, that's a really small range here and a small range here. Yeah, so if I use just the vocal sample itself, one layer, full spectrum, I would get this, but instead I split it into some pieces, and basically it does kind of work pretty nicely. So this is like a normal octave, then this one is being pitched 1 octave up. Yeah, because there was like, I don't know how to explain it, but cool thing happens. The sound changes the tone. So basically the second layer is this sound. Instead of being just a normal octave, like a mid vocal, it's a high one, and we are narrowing the range of it, which is even crazier. And then we have another one which is being pitched 1 octave down. So again, it changes the tone and it makes the whole sound richer, fuller, definitely fuller. So if we compare this to like a full one, yeah, because the single sound doesn't give you these, like the low end or a high end. We are getting a low end and high end by pitching the same sample down or up and using EQ to do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a different sound to it. Maybe let's do like oh, let's put a piano. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, let's see. Exactly. It's kind of like we are playing the melody and like using, doubling it 1 octave up and down. But kind of doing it inside a rack is easier. I mean, you can play the sound in full spectrum without duplicating it inside a piano roll. Yeah, sounds nice even without EQ, it kind of sounds brighter. Let's see how we can process it, because like we can process things differently. The biggest advantage of this is exactly this. You can process each of these layers separately. Yeah, with this technique you can make really rich sounds. It takes some time, but I think it's worth it. Yeah, that's cool. Let's reload the project and I'm gonna show you what's happening later. So like a kind of bonus, I gave you an idea, and like this, what I'm about to show you is gonna be like a little bonus. Sidechain that subscribe button, because that's free. You get free stuff, free content, you learn for free. Just subscribe, man. Sidechain that subscribe button. That's crazy what's happening with this sound. That's just a vocal synth on a vocal, sort of. I don't know if this is a preset or if I made it. Yeah, that's going drawn preset. It sounds insane. It's also changing here to a different one. That's insane. I just slapped the vocal synth on it and I'm like, what? So you can do this? How is this happening? Oh my god, that's insane. Like literally, it's just a vocal and like nothing special. And who'd have thought that you can change this sound into some heavy as hell bass? So that's gonna be it. Let me know what you think about this idea. I really like to share with you sound design ideas. I find sound design really exciting and interesting in music. Yeah, cool. So have a nice day and see ya in the next video.